Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Gorgeous example of a 1972 Volkswagen panel van. Headlight bezels, the paint, gorgeous. Bumpers, nice color coordinated with the top. Nice Porsche rims. Light blue is just gorgeous. Here again. I hate saying that word so many times, but it is. Dual exhaust. Rear defogger. Interior. Just very nice overall. I might as well show the engine. Here you're looking at a 2.5 cc Subaru engine, which it fits there. Very nice. Radiator. I mean, these engines are very popular. They put them on Porsches and all different kind of cars. They do get up and go. You know, this is something you could drive to any show, enjoy it, drive it anywhere. Beautiful two-tone combination. This is the best part. It's kind of easy access to get in and out. This can be used for a lot of different things. If you had a business, you could write it off, advertise your company, or just get a little ice chest, put a 6-pack of Modelo and a couple of bottles of wine, you're good to go. Seats are very nice. Compartments. Here again. It's got new door panels, both sides. All the new in the bottom. I mean, dash good. In the old days, these vans were not popular, especially going up a hill. But now, they're breaking the bank, so they are going up a hill. All the nice gauges, they all work. It has a Kenwood stereo, it's not hooked up. It's got all the upgrade gauges. Let me show you also. There's a little kill switch. You cannot start it unless you pull this out, which is a little safety switch. And here again, the best part is